Master the have in causative passive voice, understanding through examples. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to dive deeper into intermediate grammar, specifically focusing on the causative passive voice. This lesson is all about using have in causative passive voice. If you've been struggling to understand this concept, you're in the right place. Let's explore it together. Before we start with examples, let's quickly recap the concept of causative passive voice. In English, we use the causative form when we arrange for someone to do something for us. This can either be because we can't do it ourselves, or we choose not to. When we use the causative passive voice, the focus is on the action being done, not who did it. We commonly use have and get in the causative form, and today, our focus is on have. The basic structure for using have in causative passive voice is subject plus have plus object plus past participle. Here, have is used to mean that the subject arranged for something to be done. The object is the thing that was done and the past participle is the verb describing what was done. Remember, we can also use have in different tenses in the causative passive form. We will explore this further in our examples. Now, let's understand this concept better with some examples. 1. I had my car washed. Here, I is the subject, my car is the object, and washed is the past participle of the verb wash. This sentence means that I arranged for someone else to wash my car. 2. She's having her hair cut tomorrow. In this sentence, she is the subject, her hair is the object, and cut is the past participle of the verb cut. The sentence means that she has arranged for someone else to cut her hair tomorrow. 3. We had the house painted last week. Here, we are the subject, the house is the object, and painted is the past participle of the verb paint. This means that we arranged for someone else to paint the house last week. Remember, the key to using have in the causative passive voice is that the subject is not doing the action themselves but has arranged for someone else to do it. And that wraps up our lesson on using have in the causative passive voice. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using these structures in your daily conversations or writing tasks. Keep practicing these examples and soon, you'll master the have in causative passive voice. Thanks for joining today's lesson, and stay tuned for our next one on get in causative passive voice. Happy learning!